Hello there and welcome to Reading Bar Chart. So a bar chart shows information as a graph. So read the scale and labels on the axes carefully. So these are what we call axes. So this line here is an axis and so is this line here. Now, if you look at this graph on the right-hand side, on our axes on the left, we can see that we're looking at number of cars. On the axes at the bottom, this represents color of cars. So for example, if we were to look at a red car, then how many number of cars are red? So if you look at this graph here, this is pointing to probably just around about 22 cars are being red. If you look at the blue car, so just point at the here on the blue graph, look on the left-hand side, and you can see the number of cars here that are blue are 15. So a bar chart or a bar graph helps us determine information visually. So visually, it's very attractive, and we can actually note down the different data looking at bar charts as well, or any graph for that matter. So you've got some questions based on bar charts. So have a read of this and good luck. We'll follow this up in our next class. Thank you.